Mangoes are a unique fruit that can be enjoyed year-round and worldwide. My name is Tony Pereyra, and I am excited to be here with you today. For today's Mango Mixology session, I will be covering a few topics with you, touching on, number 1, healthy fun facts with mangoes. Number 2, menu and prep solutions. And number 3, mixology tips. And of course, I'll be showcasing a couple recipes for you to make at home. This drink is called the Mango Island Cooler. Let's get to it. For our first ingredient, we're going to be using a fresh mango puree. And we're just going to be adding about 1.5 ounces directly into the glass. Next, we're going to add 3 ounces of coconut water. And we're going to add 1 ounce of our honey lemon mix. And really, that's just 50-50 honey and fresh lemon juice. We're going to add 1 basil leaf, just drop that right in, and 1 small pinch of turmeric. And just a little, because a little goes a long way. We're going to add ice directly into our glass to shake. And at the same time, we're going to want to add some ice to our service glass. And now let's shake this cocktail up. You want to make sure you blend all these ingredients together and give it a good long shake. You're going to pop that right off. Make sure we get all the last bit inside. And now we're going to strain directly into our service glass. Our last ingredient, we're going to top off with just a little bit of soda water. And now for the garnish, we're going to add 1 fresh basil leaf. Kind of wake that up just a little bit and throw that right down. We have our fun little mango slices that we're going to place right inside. And we have a couple of these really fun little mini coconuts that we're going to lay right on top. Aren't those cool? And this is our Mango Island Cooler. Cheers. Now let's jump in some healthy fun facts. Having a passion for flavor and recipe development keeps me pretty busy throughout the year. And over the last several months, it has been especially busy creating new and fresh solutions with mangoes in beverages. With many consumers looking for healthy and fun flavors, mangoes offer a variety of options to choose from. Now let's jump into some healthy tips. In addition to their versatile appeal, mangoes contain over 20 vitamins and minerals, helping to make them a superfood with a memorable sensory experience. For example, just 1 3/4 cup of mangoes provides 50% of the recommended daily value of vitamin C, which plays an important role in immune function while adding a pop of delicious superfruit flavor to the drink. Mangoes do have functional benefits too. They contain over 20 different vitamins and minerals, helping to make them a superfood. With all that said, mangoes have been around forever, and it's no wonder why the mango bark, leaves, skin, flesh, and the pit have been used in folk remedies for centuries. Now let's move into menu and prep solutions. For either a menu at the bar or restaurant, or even just making some mango drinks at home, mangoes offer a ton of versatility. With experience in both these cases, I wanted to share with you a few key solutions. Let's jump into versatility in food and beverages. Try to cross-utilize your mangoes. I'm always looking for solutions to maximize margins by cross-utilizing products in the bar and restaurant. From just a couple mangoes, you can use one for a mango salsa and the other for a mango margarita. A perfect pair. Maximizing mango usage at all times and finding creative flavor pairings is delicious and fun too. Understanding ripeness levels and usage has been a hot topic, with sustainability always top of mind. It's important to try and utilize the whole fruit. For example, saving the mango seeds to infuse your water or favorite liqueur. That's just one option restaurant operators have been taking advantage of. One of my favorite options when having leftover mango slices is to dehydrate them to make fun mango crisps. They go great for a fun snack or even a garnish on a drink too. As we navigate towards 2021, beverage menus are already looking different. With simplified menu options becoming the norm, it's also important that simplified steps are being taken behind the bar. Creating speed scratch recipes has becoming more of a solution by implementing better prep procedures and batching techniques to help simplify the execution. With mango puree, mango syrup, frozen mangoes, and of course, fresh mangoes, the options are limitless. From my experience in operations and recipe development, there are several things I have learned that are critical when designing a beverage recipe. Understanding the balance of flavor is key, but it's also important to have fun. Mixing drinks with mangoes opens up challenges and creativity. And here's a few tips and highlights to keep in mind. There's a lot of inspiration for innovation. Mangoes are a global fruit that offers a ton of inspiration from around the world. It not only pairs well with other fruits and herbs, but it offers unique flavors and textures that can really enhance your beverage. For example, I love using smaller honey mangoes for purees because they don't have any fibers, versus using a larger Kent mango that have limited fibers for muddling into drinks. The Tommy Atkins variety is perfect for garnishes because it has more fibers and holds its shape. Once having a better understanding of mango flavors and textures, it opens up a lot of options for beverage innovation. Recently, non-alc and low ABV cocktails have been surging, and consumers are now looking for these options. Either non-alc, low ABV, or traditional cocktails, pairing the right flavor option is essential. When talking about beverage menus, strategies around menus continue to evolve. F&B directors are always looking for versatility, and using mangoes on both food and beverage menus check those boxes. Some of these menu opportunities with mangoes offer great solutions for lunch options and especially brunch. Adding some fresh mango puree to that morning mimosa can really take it next level. LTOs are a big opportunity. Because mangoes are available year-round, this opens up a lot of versatility and offers culinary and beverage experts more options for their menu. Pairing flavors can be challenging, but with mangoes available around the globe, it naturally has great pairing options. Regions such as India, Asia, and even the Caribbean have a huge impact on what we see on menus today. Some of those flavors are cardamom, lemongrass, or even a Scotch bonnet pepper for some heat. Either way you go, you'll be sure to find a great pairing. Now let's get to our last drink recipe. Our previous drink demo was a non-alcoholic option. Delicious, right? But for our next drink, we're gonna turn it up a level, moving from a non-alc to a cocktail, and using one of my favorite spirits, gin. This cocktail is called Feels Like Autumn. Let's get started. For our first ingredient for this cocktail, we're gonna be using 1 ounce of a fresh mango puree. Just pour that right into the glass. We're gonna be using 1.5 ounces of gin. 1/2 ounce of Aperol, and 3/4 of an ounce of our maple citrus blend, which is a little bit of lime, lemon, and maple syrup. We're gonna add 1 pinch of a pumpkin cinnamon spice, and that's really just mixing that up 50-50. And remember, a little goes a long way. We're gonna add ice to shake this cocktail up, and we're also gonna add some ice to our service glass. And now, let's mix this cocktail up. Make sure we're mixing all the ingredients and blending every flavor. Make sure we get all that out. And now, we're gonna strain directly into our service glass. We're gonna garnish with our fresh mango dehydrated chips, dehydrated lime wheel, a fresh sprig of sage, and 1 little cinnamon stick just to top it off. And this is our cocktail, Feels Like Autumn. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed our mango mixology session. Next time you're feeling that urge for that refreshing mango drink, keep these few tips in mind. Number 1, take advantage of mangoes, the super fun superfruit, in everything from a smoothie in the morning to a brunch cocktail, or maybe even just a fun snack. Number 2, when using mangoes in food or drinks, whether it's for your menu at a bar or your next cocktail party, know your end goal. Be sure to prep right and know when to use your mango for best results. And number 3, mangoes work in all types of beverages, either a non-alcoholic drink or cocktail. There's a ton of versatility and awesome global and seasonal flavor pairings. That's all I have for us today. Thank you for your time, and I'll be sure to see you next time at the bar. Cheers.